The designs never stop here at Hot Car Track. I couldn't sleep last night. I came up with this new idea for the crisscross, and here it is. Our previous version was lanes 1 and 6 were joining up, and we had to have this kind of weird kind of angle come in to the actual crisscross itself, and then it came out, and I had to have these other joiner bits and, you know, eventually get out there. I wasn't happy with that, so what I've done is I've redesigned the whole layout so there'll be one piece available for all track lengths. In my last video, I explained there might be 2 separate versions for different track lengths. Not anymore. This is it. So what we've done is we can now have any lane like 1 or 2, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 joined up to this crisscross. And by the way, you can have 2 crisscrosses. Hang on. This is not a part, but just for example, you could have another crisscross set up here, so you'd have all 6 cars coming down at once. So that's very exciting. Yeah, so the beauty about this is you can have any length of track depending on your floor space. The unique thing about this is I've included these angles at the front and these angles at the back. Currently this is a prototype, and I'm still just working out how I'm going to print this, because my physical size of my print bed is only 240mm, which brings it out to about there. That's the largest piece that I can print. So I either print this section and this section and put it in half and put a joiner, or I actually keep this as one piece and print that as a piece, that as a piece, and that comes in, and then it's all joined with tape on the underside, as you can see, to hold everything in place. All of my parts have to be joined by tape. Why I do that is it's very difficult to make these a very strong join like you would with these track joiners from Hot Wheels. The difference is in plastic. This is PLA plastic, which is, yeah, it's a little bit hard to get flexibility in PLA plastic without it breaking, okay? So anyway, so the principle of this is the cars come through, they come through this way, they hit this little bend, and that should swing them out over to the other side and then throw the cars out. I'm just about out of juice on this phone. Let's have a look at a couple of runs and see what happens. I have a Holden and a Ute. Please remember this is a stunt part, so it is not perfect, but here we go. Okay, so that is the stunt part. You can't get 2 cars through there. That's not designed to have 2 cars go through. It's the car that gets through. It's obviously going to win it. So let's go again. Lanes 3 and 4. Who's going to take this out? Perfect run. Okay, we have a Ute, and looks like a Jaguar, is it? Okay, 2 orange cars. I think this Ute has a wonky wheel. And they both get through. How about that? And I've got 2 more cars as a run. I've got this truck. So these 2 are my hardest cars to get through. So if they get through, it's a winner. And the truck never made it. So there you go. That's almost a completed version. This is how it's going to be sold, and this is how it's going to operate on your 6-lane track, so you can have any length you like. And I reckon this is a winner. I'm satisfied. Give me another couple of days to fully print this out and get it happening. I'll come back with a finished version. Could even be this afternoon, and away we go. Thanks again for watching.